Some Jamaicans are giving positive feedback to Prime Minister Andrew Holness's decision to withdraw the Disaster Risk Management Act, the DRMA. Jamaicans have been forced to endure several restrictions over the past 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, as of March 18, the restriction orders have been lifted. The PBCJ news team took to the streets to find out how Jamaicans feel about it and the resultant reopening of the entertainment sector.
It's an excellent thing at this point in time. The country needs, or the people in general, needs free movement to do just as they like.
I don't know Jamaican people stay already. It's a hard thing for broke out or something when they get to in or something, trust me. And furthermore, much over our health. And for we are pre-health right now, we don't visit where nobody was, so we have our mass same way, you know.
I'm glad it lift, you know. I'm glad none of them did about again.
Him drop it and let it go, you know. But him try to tighten up and look a bit, it should so quick.
The entertainment sector deserves a chance again because it has been done for a while now. So I think it's a good move by the Prime Minister knowing that he's looking out for the entertainment industry.
When I heard that it's going to open, I was excited. But you know, as I said, all we have to do, wear a mask same way, a social distance same way. You know, we just know distance from people. But I love that. It's a good look so far.
Yeah, that sounds good so far. You understand me? But the people have still know the boy, but for use the political same way. Can you understand me? Because this thing is really dead out, right, full out, you know. But we just get a little chance, so it's possible them can do it still. But political same way.